Hey everyone, happy holidays, it's Anne. Today we're making Keto Panna Cotta. In this video, I will show you how to make it super creamy by adding this one ingredient, plus a tip on what to look for when buying coconut milk for this type of dessert. In a saucepan, add the water. Sprinkle in the beef gelatin on top of the water and let bloom for 5 minutes. Next, add in the Greek yogurt. This is optional, but it will help make the panna cotta super smooth. When choosing whipping cream or heavy cream, choose organic without added ingredients. For the coconut milk, choose unsweetened coconut milk with gourd gum when possible. Gourd gum is used as a stabilizer here and contributes to the smooth and creamy texture. Remember to stir well when measuring to ensure the ingredients are mixed well. Add in the coconut milk. Then the allulose. And finally, the vanilla extract. Simmer the mixture on medium heat until the gelatin has dissolved. Strain the mixture through a sieve and discard any clumps. Transfer the mixture into glass or ceramic bowls. Do not use plastic bowls as the mixture is still very hot at this point. Cover each bowl individually with saran wrap and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours until fully set. In a saucepan on medium heat, add in the allulose. Add in the lemon juice and then the strawberries. Simmer the strawberries on medium heat until soft. Puree the strawberry mixture until smooth with a handheld blender or a high-speed blender. The high-speed blender is definitely faster and makes the sauce a lot more smoother, but the color will not be as vibrant. Cook to reduce and thicken the strawberry sauce. At this point, taste the sauce and adjust the sweetness. If the strawberries are not in season, you might need to add a bit more sweetener. If it's not sweet enough, add more allulose. Start with 1 tablespoon. Strain the sauce if desired. To garnish, slice some strawberries thinly and press down to create a fan. To assemble, pour the strawberry sauce on top, garnish with a strawberry and some mint leaves if you like. Thanks for watching everyone. Please give this video a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more keto recipes. And if you would like to support me on Patreon, my direct link is linked below. See you again next time.